Oh, why is that glue still in my hair? Idiota.
When we show up, you know it's showtime. On skateboard, but I'm off the ground.
Hi everyone, I'm Richie and today I'm showing you guys how I cut my hair. No razor bumps, no cuts, no nothing, and like kind of like shaving my head again. So if you guys want to stay tuned, see how I got my little bobby thing going on, then just keep watching. So I'm just gonna jump into it. I have my wall clippers. I don't know how you I don't know how you really pronounce it. I don't know, but yes, I have my clippers here. I put this kind of like down, how you adjust the thing up and down. I put it like all the way down, but I'm gonna try to scoot it up just a little bit. I have my guard. Here. I use the number 1/8 3 millimeters. I have my brush. I have a comb. So I'm just gonna comb my hair. I kind of already low-key comb my hair, but I'm just comb my hair. My makeup looks light because I got a tan. So, but yeah, like I just be getting in that mode where I'm like, you know what, girl, like, just not playing with me, you know. I just want to be a wobby again, so. But yes, just, you know, like, and then brush it down and stuff. And then I'm just gonna jump into it. Oh, I got a mirror too as well, so I'm just gonna jump into, oh my, okay. Put the guard on first, like this. Usually my how-tos are kind of like mute, or not mute, I do voiceovers, but I really wanted to talk to you guys and make this one more in-depth because you know, with the razor bumps and like cuts and stuff, you want to take your time. Like I usually be speeding through it, you know, so yeah. Like, girl, don't even be scared when it, just do it. Like, okay, so I'm gonna go this way. So for you guys, I'll start in the front. I'm just gonna go this way. Like I said, I already adjusted the main guard, I should say. But yes, and then you just go slow. You want to go nice and slow. Make sure, you know, you're not doing it too fast. Because if you do, you might get cuts. That's how you get cuts. So, normally I go fast. Like, I'd be like, but you just want to take your time. Hey guys, so I'm going to be tapping like in and out of, you know, voiceover mode, and then like just in the video. But yes, I'm just going really slow, taking my time, you know, making sure, because sometimes like if I do go too fast, like my scalp will be super irritated as well. So as far as the back goes, or for the front, I'm gonna show you guys. So just keep that same thing going, but now, hold on. First you wanna brush it. Brush. Then you wanna go ahead and go the opposite direction. And don't be scared, your edges aren't gonna leave you, because I'd be scared. I'd be like, you know what? My forehead's 6 head enough, so the hairline though. So you just want to go the opposite direction. Gets it way shorter. go slow and steady, don't rush it. And yeah. Slow and steady there. So finishing off the front and the top, I'm just, going slow, keeping the same pace. I think that is where I messed up my hairline. I'm right there. But I really wanted to, keep everything that I could in as much, footage and like show you guys how to really prevent like razor bumps and scalp irritation and stuff like that. I sped up a little bit, but you can still pretty much see I'm taking my time. But yes, I just wanted to show you guys I'm still, keeping the same pace, and that's very important too. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the front. For now, I'm just gonna brush it. There's some spots I can go over, so we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Or not, because I'm not trying to mess my hair up and look bald spots. So we might rock with it. I don't know what this is right here actually. Oh, why is that glue still in my hair? Idiota. Okay, so the top's pretty much done and stuff. Yes, so I'm gonna show you guys the back. Cut up the light for you all. I don't want to cut it up too much because it looks like, like tan in it. You know what's going on. So, all right. The back of my shirt's weird because I stretched out one strap, so it's like not the perfect like H shape. Hey guys, so didn't want you guys to be all lonely. But yes, just doing the same process that I did in the front, keeping a slow pace and making sure I do not go fast at all in the back. I feel like I have a lot of issues with like, little razor bumps in the back sometimes, But yes, I'm just going over showing you guys the difference from the front and back. And yeah, keeping the same pace, and then after I go, just straight down, whatever, I go the opposite direction like I did in the front. And then, make it clean, make it nice, make it spice, make it that. No, we go. But yes. Yeah. So I'm just gonna keep going. I'm going slow. Like this is real speed. I wanted to take off the, speeder thing and show you guys in real time how slow I'm going. Like I ain't playing no games. I'm not doing it for the laugh. I'm just going slow, taking my time, being patient. That's the thing, I have zero patience. So it's like I be zooming through it and my scalp be all irritated. I'll be like, oh my gosh, it freaking hurts. So yeah. But yes, keep going along with that. And almost done. And yes, just keep up your pace. If you have to go over, get that kitchen back there like I was trying to do. If you gotta go over certain spots, do that. Brush it. Don't forget to brush it. I think I'm forgetting to brush it right now. observing, you know, making sure everything's good. That is a spot I always miss. But yes. Brush, brush, brush. Here we go. Spoke too soon. And here is my finishing product. No cuts, no bumps, no nada. So thank you guys so much for watching. Show me some love. I'll show love back. You've already, you know, this is my end result. Showing you guys a full 360. But yes, stay tuned for the next one. Bye.